Welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to show you how I make my pumpkin velouté. I suggest you meet right away in front of the fire to see how to proceed, or rather first in front of the cutting board. A clove of garlic that is less whole. No worry, that cooks quickly. Then we will need 1 or 2 onions, thinly sliced. A slightly sliced potato. Then the pumpkin that we cut to empty it of its pips and peel it. And we also mince it. Melt and heat the butter slightly in its pot. It should not color, so we remain on low heat. We put the onion, garlic, and pumpkin. Add the salt, the water, then the potato. When it boils, we count 25 minutes. Then add the cream and cook for another 5 minutes. So after a total cooking of 30 minutes, we will mix our pumpkin soup and the Halloween soup is ready. All that remains is to test. When to me, I tell you very soon for the next video. Au revoir mes amis et à bientôt.